Here in this video we will see the importance and the use of nested if with one example program. Here we need to write nested if when there is a situation where a particular task is to be done when more than one condition is to be satisfied. Nested function means one function inside another. So here nested if means one if inside another if. Here we will see the syntax. Syntax for if expression 1 and statement 1, statement 2 if we have any, or else if there is no statement to be written inside the if function, then the other if, that is the inner if, is written inside the outer if. Here expression 2 and again the body for inner if and again the statements of inner if are written in. Then after closing this outer if, inner if and then outer if, then if you want you can write the else. Right. Here if the expression 1 is evaluated to true, then the compiler will come inside the if and these two, statement 1, statement 2 is executed, and then it will check the 15th line. It will go to the 15th line and then it will evaluate the expression 2. And if this expression 2 is also true, then again it will come inside the inner if and it will execute the statement 3 and statement 4. And here suppose if only the expression 1 is true, then it will come inside, it will execute statement 1 and statement 2 and it will check the expression 2. And suppose here the expression 2 is false, then it will not execute the statement 3 and statement 4 and it will directly come out. And suppose if expression 1, expression 2 both are false, then or else if the expression 1 is false, then also it will directly come out of the outer if and it will not go inside, it will not execute the statement 1, statement 2, neither it will check for the second expression. Directly it will come out and it will execute the else. So on this nested if we will see one C program. Here we are taking two variables of type integer, age and weight. Scanf 2% ID, comma, and age, comma, and weight to read two inputs. Now here we will check the condition. If age is greater than 18, then again inside the curly brackets check for one more expression by giving the second if, that is the inner if. So one if inside another if is the nested if. Weight is greater than equals to 50. Then inside this can donate. So for example, for donating blood, a person's age should be greater than 18 and the weight must be greater than or equals to 50. If both these criteria are satisfied, then only that person can donate. Right. So this 12th line is the closing of inner if and 13th line is the closing curly bracket of outer if. Next here we can give the else. Printf cannot donate blood. Here we will execute and check our out. So this is the output screen. Here you can see that enter the values for age and weight. So here in the 7th line it is saying that age should be greater than 18, right? Then only this if will be executed and it will come inside and it will check for the second expression, that is the 9th line, weight is greater than equals to 50. If suppose the first expression, that is age is greater than 18 is false, then it will not go inside the if and it will not check the second expression. Directly it will go to the else part, even if you are giving the weight greater than 50 also. Here we will check age is 12 and weight is 55. Suppose now age first condition becomes false, 12 is greater than 18 false and weight is greater than equals to 50, that is 55, it is true. But here age is greater than 18 is false. So it will not go inside, it will directly go to the else and it will say cannot donate blood. Here we will see for one more output, enter the value for age and weight. 22 is the age and 66 is the weight. Now both the conditions are true. Age is greater than 18 and weight is greater than equals to 50, then it will execute the inner if. Can donate blood. Right. Means it is saying that if this if is true, then only it will go inside and it will check for this condition. If this is false, then automatically it will come out of the if and it will execute the else. Right. Both should be true. Then only this 11th line will be executed. If it is true, it will come inside and it will check this one. And again, if that is also true, then only it will come again inside and it will execute this print state. Now suppose if the outer if, that is the 7th line if is false, then it will not go and check the 9th line. It will directly comes out of the if, right, and it will execute the else part. That is, this printf will be executed. Right. Hope you understood the concept of nested if. Share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.